Most students don't struggle with subnetting because it's hard. They struggle because too many new ideas hit them all at once. Let's ignore all of that for just a moment. An IP network is just a block of addresses. But what does that block of addresses look like? Well, in this instance, the block of addresses includes every address from 192.168.10.0 all the way up to 192.168.10.255. So this isn't just one address. It's an entire range. When you subnet an IPv4 range, it just means you're splitting that block into smaller pieces. Let's split this range of addresses. So instead of one range, now we have two smaller ranges. That split happened because we adjusted one bit to the right in our subnet mask. That one bit decides the range or block of addresses. For each network bit that increases to the right, we double the number of networks and cut the size in half. Subnetting isn't that complicated. The key for you will be to understand how address spaces are divided. In the following video, we take a deep dive into how you need to divide those address spaces so that you can understand everything there is to know about subnetting IPv4 addresses. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.